Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone. Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the 2000 Core English Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is need. 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 To need is a verb. Another way to say need is require. We use the verb to need when we talk about something that is necessary for our life, something that is necessary to live. Here's an example. We all need air and water to live. We all need air and water to live. We all need air and water to live. Read. 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 To read means to use your eyes to look at words written on paper or written on a screen and to get that information into our brain. This is called reading. Here's an example sentence. The woman is reading a magazine. The woman is reading a magazine. The woman is reading a magazine. Stand. 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 To stand means to move from a sitting position to one where you are on your feet, so you are not sitting. Here's an example sentence. The man is standing. The man is standing. The man is standing. Miss. 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 To miss as a verb has a couple of different uses. We can mean to miss someone, as in someone we would like to see but we cannot, and we can use to miss to mean that we did not hit something. So here's an example of the second meaning. Miss the target. Miss the target. Miss the target. Enter. 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 To enter is a verb which means to go inside, as in a building. We can also use to enter for things like schools and companies, which means to join. Here's an example. Please enter. Welcome to my home. Please enter. Welcome to my home. Please enter. Welcome to my home. Beautiful. 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 Beautiful is an adjective. We can use this word to talk about people, scenery, objects. It means something that is very pleasing. When we look at this thing or when we look at this person, we think that it's a very good example of beauty. It could be natural beauty. It could be something that's made. Something that looks very, very nice to our eyes can be beautiful. Here's an example. She's not only beautiful, but also very smart. She's not only beautiful, but also very smart. She's not only beautiful, but also very smart. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it is the basic question that we ask when we want the time. We want to know what time it is in a location, and so we ask this question. Here's an example. What time is it in New York when it's noon in London? What time is it in New York when it is noon in London? What time is it in New York when it is noon in London? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good is a very useful phrase. You can use this as a response when someone asks, "How are you?" You can say, "I'm good." You can also use this as a way to decline or to say no to something. If someone offers you something like a cookie or a dessert and you don't want that, you can say, "I'm good. Here's another example. I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Awesome. 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 Awesome is an adjective. Awesome means very, very good, or very, very cool, or very, very good and cool. We use this word when we are very excited about something, when we want to express our maybe encouragement to somebody else. Here's an example. You finally got a promotion. Awesome. You finally got a promotion. Awesome. You finally got a promotion. Awesome. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it is the most basic way that you can express that you enjoy something. If someone asks your opinion about an activity or an object, you can say, I like it. It's very, very short and very basic, but native speakers use this expression a lot. Here's an example. When I can walk barefoot in the sand, I like it a lot. When I can walk barefoot in the sand, I like it a lot. When I can walk barefoot in the sand, I like it a lot. Let's review. I'm going to describe a word or phrase in English. See if you can remember it. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say the verb that means to require something or something that is necessary for our lives? Need. Need. And how to say the verb that means to use your eyes to look at written information and understand it? Read. Read. What about the verb that means to move from a sitting position to a position on your 2 feet? Stand. Stand. Do you remember how to say the verb that can mean to wish someone were there that you could meet and to not hit something? Miss. Miss. Let's try the verb that means to go inside something or to join an organization. Enter. Enter. What about the word that means something that looks very, very nice? It could be a person, it could be a location, it could be an object. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, let's see if you remember how to say the question that asks about the current time in a location. What time is it? What time is it? Another one. What about the expression that means I'm doing well, or the expression you can use to decline something in a casual way? I'm good. I'm good. Do you remember how to say the adjective that means something that is very, very cool or very, very good or even both? Awesome. Awesome. And finally, do you remember how to say the expression that means I enjoy that thing or that thing makes me happy? I like it. I like it. Well done. See you next time. Bye.